Today we'll look at how to colorize your black and white photos in Canva. You can start with an image like this and make it look like this. I'm here on the Canva homepage and I'll create a new document. I'll click create a design. I'll do a custom size. I'll do 3600 by 2400. Now in my project, let me upload a black and white file. I'll click uploads, then I'll click upload files, and I'll choose my file. Let's click open. And when the file is uploaded, I'll click on it to add it to my document. So we have this very vintage photo of some cats having a birthday party. Now to add color to our photos, we'll use an app called Colorize. To install an app, you'll want to click apps over here. And then in the search bar, I'll type Colorize. I'll hit enter. And it's this one here with the flower icon. So let's click this. Now the first time you use the app, you have to click the open button here. So I'll click open. And here we have the app. Using it is quite simple. I'll just click my image on my design. And then I'll click Colorize and Replace. Note that this will swap out your original image here, so make a copy if you want to keep the black and white version. But let's click this button here now. It'll take some time to process it. Usually it's not too long. And here we have our result, the colorized photo. Now you could just keep these results, or you could modify the colors further. To modify the colors, select your image here, then click Edit. And over here you have many options. For example, you can try different filters. Try Capri. There's all these different options. But if you want to have the most control, you can click the Adjust button here. And this will give you additional options to change the colorization in your photo. For example, up here I can change the temperature. I can make my image cooler, or I can make it warmer. I think I'll make it a little bit cooler. Brightness and contrast are down here, so you can make it a little bit brighter. Adding the contrast will bring out the darks and brights more, like that. Down here you can change the vibrance, so this is how strong your colors will look. Vibrance is kind of like a smarter version of saturation, so you can increase this a lot. You can increase saturation if you want, but sometimes that looks a little strange if you go too far. So I'll leave that down there. Down here we have the spot color editing. So you can see it pulled out some of the colors that we can edit individually. For example, I think this green is probably coming from the tablecloth there. Let me click that. And I can rotate it around to something else. Maybe I just want it to be white. I'll turn down the saturation. Increase the brightness a little bit. I like that better. And down here you have more options for sharpness, clarity, and a vignette effect. There's lots of options here. We can continue to tweak the photo as you like. So here we have our final result, before and after. If there's any Canva topics you want to see a video on, let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.